Good morning and welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. I'm Bettye Burnett and today I will be preparing my favorite breakfast this morning. I placed a handful of raisins in this bowl for me and a handful of oatmeal. You need some water to add to this bowl. Let me add some water. I'm just going to add a little water here just to cover the oatmeal, not that much. I'm going to place it in the microwave and let it cook for 3 minutes. I'm going to take the oatmeal out of the microwave. And it looks kind of dry, but what I do is I usually add a non-dairy milk to it. Just add a little milk. I've added a little too much milk in it this morning, but because I kind of like it on the thick side, but this will do. I love oatmeal. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.